Argument leads to stabbing, man facing wounding with intent charge. Hampton student suspected of drowning in St. Elizabeth. Man accused of triple murder gunned down in Montego Bay. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Almost 4 months after reportedly stabbing a man he argued with, a 55-year-old man is gearing up to face the music. Ansel Reed, otherwise called Rocky, of Hampton District in St. James, was charged with wounding with intent on the weekend. The charge is related to an incident in his community on August 12. Reports from the police are that about 12:13 p.m. on August 12, Reed had an argument with another man when he reportedly used a knife to stab the man several times. The police were alerted and the man was taken to hospital where he was admitted for treatment. An investigation was launched and Reed was arrested. The police stated that he was charged on December 2nd after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being finalized, the police stated. Police are probing the suspected drowning of a Hampton student at Old Wharf Beach in St. Elizabeth on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as Isa Ridgard, 18, a resident of Melbourne in St. Elizabeth. More details to come following further investigations. A man who was charged in connection with a triple murder in Roehampton, St. James on June 2 was shot and killed by unknown assailants on his way home from the St. James Parish Court on Tuesday. He is 28-year-old Wesley Reed, otherwise called O'Shane. Reed was reportedly walking with his mother along Arbor Street in Montego Bay when he was shot.